Hello, this video is to illustrate the setup I have created to facilitate engagement estimation. The setup consists of a virtual machine, which is a Linux-based virtual machine, more exactly Linux Ubuntu 20.04, the Noetic version of ROS, the Intel RealSense SDK, which will facilitate accessing the camera data, Python, OpenCV, Numpy, and for machine learning purposes, TensorFlow and Keras. The source code, which has been created, it's available on the GitHub repository, as well as on the blog website, source code section. It is based on the engagement detector project of LCAS, which is a project available on GitHub. The project situates in a Catkin workspace, qt_ws, and the source directory consists of two main modules. One is the RealSense ROS module, which is a repository of the Intel RealSense and facilitates accessing camera raw data by creating a ROS node and publishing data on various topics. So this is what this library does. And the second module, engagement estimation, is the module, the actual engagement estimation module. Has three files. One is a plotter, which handles everything related to plotting the engagement data on the actual image. The estimator handles machine learning as well as everything related to engagement estimation. And it's currently empty, it's not developed yet. The app handles ROS integration, and it manages the estimator and the plotter objects, which connects to the estimator and the plotter files and classes. The engagement estimation object has a subscriber and two publisher objects. The subscriber receives data from camera color / image raw topic, and this is the data that the camera captures. Once received, the data is manipulated, and then using the estimator class and the estimate method, the engagement value is retrieved. Then again, the data is manipulated, and the engagement estimation value is plotted on the image, and ultimately both the engagement estimation and the value gets published on these two topics, image out and value, of the engagement estimator node. This is this. Now, if we want to see this working, what we need to do first is make use of the RealSense ROS module and launch a ROS node where data captured from the camera will be published. Once our RealSense node is up, we can then launch our application, which will open the camera and publish the image captured, as well as the plotted engagement data. Currently, the values you see here are simulated values. There is no engagement estimation. I did this simulation to highlight the fact that I've implemented a color-based threshold engagement plotting for a better user interaction. If we want to see the ROS node list, we will see the RealSense camera nodes and the engagement estimator node. If we then go to topics, we can see where we get our image from. And then these are the topics that publish valley and the final image with the plotted data. Now, if we want to echo whatever comes out, let's see what we get out. So this is the raw image that gets published, and then we will publish the valley, engagement valley, and then this gets published. Various engagement values according to what's happening in our code. And ultimately, we can observe the RKT graph where we subscribe to the camera topic, we get the image, and then we publish on the engagement estimator node on 2 different topics, the valley and the final image with the plotted data. That's it for now. Thank you very much for listening. We keep in touch for further updates.